In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bill in Xero. Whether you're new to this software or just looking to streamline your accounting processes, this step-by-step guide will help you get the job done efficiently and accurately. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into Xero, navigate to the Xero website, and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the business menu at the top. Click on that, and from the drop-down options, select Bills to Pay. This will take you to the bills dashboard, where all your bills are organized. Now let's create a new bill. On this dashboard, you'll notice a button labeled Plus New Bill. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new form where you'll input all the necessary details for your bill. The first section you need to fill out is the supplier details. In the From field, choose the supplier from your existing contacts, or you can create a new contact if it's a first-time supplier. Next, enter the bill date, which is the date of the invoice or when you received it. You'll also specify the due date, indicating when the payment is expected. Don't forget the reference field where you can enter the invoice number or a purchase order number for tracking purposes. With the supplier details sorted, it's time to add line items. This is crucial for maintaining accurate records of what products or services you're being billed for. If you're utilizing inventory or have saved items, you can select them under the Item field. For each line item, provide a detailed description, such as office supplies or utilities. You'll also need to enter the quantity and the unit price for transparency and precision. Furthermore, assign each item to an account category like expenses or purchases based on your bookkeeping setup. If applicable, don't forget to include the appropriate tax rate. To enhance the documentation, it's a good idea to attach a copy of the supplier's invoice. Even though this step is optional, you can upload a PDF or image directly into Xero for easy reference. Once everything is filled out, you have two options. Save the bill as a draft if you want to review it later, or approve it if you're ready to include it in your financial documents. Approving the bill will finalize it, making it ready for payment processing. Finally, after the bill has been approved, you can proceed to pay or schedule the payment. If your Xero account is connected to bank feeds or payment services, you can make the payment directly from the platform. Otherwise, you can manually mark it as paid once you've completed the transaction. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a bill in Xero. By following these steps, you can ensure your accounting records stay accurate and up to date. Thanks for